Good morning guys, today we have the BMW M3 Competition, so let's have some fun today. Oh my god! Woo, man! It's gonna be a fun day today. So first thing first, I really want to talk about the front design. So if you ask me, yes, I really wish BMW just kept the 3 Series front fascia for the M3, so we can choose between a BMW and a rabbit teeth. Yes, I'm talking about M4 guys. But if you're okay with the kidney grille, I think the front design looks quite nice. We have very angular hood line on the top, BMW laser lights, really loving the blue accents inside, and large openings on the bottom, and these are to cool off the front brakes, radar sensor for the adaptive cruise control, and we have air curtains on the side. Okay, now let me just show you the LED headlamp system working in action. That's DRL, headlamp, high beam, turn signal, and this is what horn sounds like. Okay guys? Okay, let me also show you the engine room. Today we have the M3 Competition, which means we have twin turbocharged inline 6 producing about 503 horsepower, 479 pound-feet of torque. Engine is mated to normal DCT, but actually mated to ZF 8-speed automatic. And for now, we have it as river driven. BMW says this M3 Competition can hit 60 miles within just 3.8 seconds. So let me just show you how fast this M3 Competition can be. We also have launch control, so let's make use of it. First, we need to take the ESC off completely. There we go. Put the car into manual mode. Gearbox in most harsh setting. Foot on the brake. Full throttle. System ready. Go! Whoa! Pulls very nicely. Oh my god! Woo! It took full seconds flat to hit 60 miles per hour. Wow, that was really fast. Let's try one more time because I think we can do it better this time. Oh my god. Same routine, foot on the brake, full throttle. System ready, go! Wow! Let's see, any faster? Wow, 3.9 seconds. So just 0.1 second slower compared to what BMW is saying. Fantastic. Oh my god. And looking at the car from the side, we have wing mirrors on the side, carbon roof on the top, and black glossy skirt on the bottom, and garnish on the side. And our tester also has ceramic brakes with gold calipers, looking very sexy. And let's say our tester is wearing 275 35 by 19 up front, 285 30 by 20 at the rear. So why don't we go out and check out the braking performance of this M3 Competition then. So much power. It took M3 Competition only about 115 feet to a complete stop. Ceramic brakes bites down hard. Lovely brakes. Unlike M4, M3 has 4 doors. So let me just show you the second row seats myself. I am 6'2", and there's good amount of leg room, and headroom, let's just say, is pretty good for my height. Window comes down. Wow, all the way, and it's really interesting to see the carbon bucket seats from back here. We also have 2 air vents, climate control, heated seats, wow, 3 stage for each side, and 2 C-type charging ports. And because this is river driven, we have a large hump in the middle. We also have a folding seat, 40, 20, 40. Nice. And if you guys are enjoying this, please like this video and subscribe so we can grow this channel together and have more fun. Thank you guys. And looking at the car from the behind, we have carbon spoiler on the top, says M3 Competitions. We also have large diffuser on the bottom and fat dual exhaust on the bottom. And trunk is quite the same, but should feel very spacious when you think about all the performance. And of course you can fold these second row seats like this to yield more cargo room. So that's super nice. And looking at the car from the driver's seat, we have lots and lots of carbons. Carbon on the dashboard, carbon on the center console, carbon on the steering wheel, even on the paddle shifters. We also have M1 and M2 button right here, and we also have two large screens, 12.3 inch for the gauge cluster and 12.3 inch for the infotainment screen. Okay, too much talking. Now let's go out and drive this M3 Competition then. So let's start with visibility. Visibility is quite nice in here because this is essentially a BMW 3 Series. So we have large windows all around. Side mirrors are a good size too. And we also have blind spot alert system, which will greatly help you during your lane changes. So yeah, it's quite pleasant place to be in here. Not hard to drive. So how are the seats? Well, we have carbon bucket seats right up here, but it's quite adjustable, so it's holding me quite nicely without compromising the comfort too much. What about ride? Well, in comfort mode like this, I think it can be a good daily driver. Not really sure about the long distance cruiser, but definitely good daily driver. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about engine. Before I say anything, let me just put the car into Sports Plus mode and let you enjoy it. Wow, really pulls hard. Never want to stop. Oh, so much power. Wow. Really wish we had V8 in here. Wow. Brutal fast. Of course, this M3 Competition makes plenty of power, probably too much for public roads, but I still think it just lacks that roar from a V8. And except that, it's just so powerful and just stupid, plain fast. Oh my God. Woo, we're gonna jump. Oh my God. So yeah, it's very fast. No more DCT, now engine is made it to ZF 8-speed automatic. So let's see if this new 8-speed automatic feels any better than the old DCT. We're also given paddle shifters, so let me just show you working in action. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So yes, it's shifting very quickly, but it's just lacking that tough kick when DCT shifts really hard. So yes, I do miss the old dual clutch transmission, and after all, this is supposed to be M3 Competition, right guys? But when you do put the car back into comfort mode, everything quiets down. It's quite nicely isolated. It even feels quite relaxing. And let me also show you adaptive cruise control working with lane keep assist. As you can see, it's a very delicate system, placing the car right on the center. Of course, in a minute or so, it's gonna say, driver, it's time to put your hands back on the steering wheel. I really like how it flashes on the steering wheel. And this M3 Competition feels very stable, even on very high speed. Really. Woo! And great brakes, never seems to fade away. Wow. Lovely. Okay, let's check few corners with M3 Competition. A bit worried because this has so much power. Let's go with third gear. Wow. Wow, it's taking very nicely. Not much body roll, and suspension and chassis feels rock solid, and the bucket seat is holding me very nicely. Thank you, bucket seat. Okay, let's try one more time on this hard left. BMW is gonna roll out all-wheel drive model, but even without it, wow, it's taking very nicely. Of course, if you really push it, back will pop out, but it's quite manageable. What a handling car. Wow. Woo. All right, guys, let's try the corner with M3 Competitions. Wow, it's taking very nicely. ES in everything is just making this car stick to the ground. Oh my God. Yes, I'm forgetting about the kidney grill. Who cares? It handles so nicely. Oh my God. All right, guys, this has been our test drive with M3 Competition. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be back with much more. So if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Thank you guys, see you soon, stay healthy, and bye-bye. 3, wow, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, so yes. That was just too fast.